Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Evony game on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and once it is opened up, tap on the search box and then type in Evony and start your search. Once you find the Evony, the King's Return game, tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Evony game on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the play button, you can tap on it to open up the Evony game, and then you can directly proceed with signing up or logging into your account to start enjoying the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Evony game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.